Hello, I'm Leon Craigle, and I'm here with Frank Lombardo today. We make up the team of Best Dental Kit. I'm here today to ask Frank some questions about the kit that makes it great, and makes it the best, and makes it unique. And the first question I'm going to ask him is that so Frank, what made you have this idea of the Best Dental Kit?
Well, several years ago, a local dentist by the name of Dr. Paul Mancia came into our pharmacy, and he had an expired dental kit from one of our competitors. And he said, Frank, this is expensive and complicated. I want a dental kit in my office, in case of an emergency, that's simple and affordable. He also provided me with information from the American Dental Association as to what should be in the kit. So we took that, we put something together for him, called up Dr. Mancia, he came down, he took a look at it, and he said, this is perfect. He goes, it's affordable, it's what we need, and anybody in the office will be able to use it. He said another thing that was really important at that time. He said, you might want to market this to other dentists all over the country because we all need it. There's very few options out there, and you might have a potential business here. So we sat on that for a little while, and after a couple of years, we did just that. We've been marketing this now all over the country for the last couple of years with some great results.
Awesome. And what makes our kit the best or unique?
Well, two things. Number one, we'll monitor the products when they go out of date. The office doesn't have to worry about it. We'll send emails and make phone calls to let you know something's out of date so that it's always kept up to where it needs to be. In-date products in your kit. The other thing is, 4 of the 7 products in our kit, we will replenish for free when they expire. We will not nickel dime you when the Benadryl or aspirin go out of date. We'll just give you a phone call, we'll let you know, and we'll ship them right out.
Awesome, sounds great. Last questions. Sounds great. So where can folks order this kit?
Right here on our website, bestdentalkit.com. Scroll down, you'll see how you hit the button there, and we'll get it out the same day.
And one thing I forgot to ask you, and we didn't mention, was so what's the price of the Best Dental Kit?
That's the best part. We're about half of our competitors' price at $397.
Wait, what'd you say?
$397.
Whoa, I can't believe that price.
It's the best price. Yes, sir. Yep.